Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to disassemble Zhiyun Smooth 4, so let's start. At first, we are going to rotate its neck to remove the connector of its motor. This is the connector. Now pull the zoom hand wheel of Zhiyun Smooth 4. Now this is very important for you to know that there is a screw at the bottom of Zhiyun Smooth 4. You have to remove it because you cannot disassemble it otherwise. Now carefully remove the clip from both sides. Remove the screws of zoom hand wheel. Now once you have removed the cover from both sides, carefully remove the connector of zoom hand wheel. These are the batteries. And that's how you disassemble Zhiyun Smooth 4. And guys, please let me know how the video was in the comments, and please tell me what you want to know about electronics and what you want me to make, like projects or anything. Thanks for watching.